Here we are again, folks. It's now 8 o'clock, February 1st. The blizzard of the century. I don't know if you could hear it. As you can see from earlier, you can't really see the car across the street anymore. Just the lights from the house. That's how hard the snow is blowing. Pretty radical. Alright, so again, 8:02 p.m., February 1st, 2011. Snowstorm! End of the world! Here comes some more snow, or some wind. There you go, look at that. Oh my, look at that. This reference is just... I don't know if this is doing any justice to how hard it's actually blowing, but you can't see squat. That's across the street right there. There you go. That's our tree. Alright, check back later.